Hello guys, this is me, Rene. That's right. I know it's been a while since we did this, but yes, we are back in my mom's kitchen with my mom. That's right, folks. And you know, the way everybody nowadays is always in a rush to make a real quick dish, and they're always thinking, what dish should I do? So I thought, well, today I kind of dropped by and check out my mom's dish, which is going to tell us more about. It's called, what's it called, Mom?
Hot curry chicken.
Hot curry chicken.
It's an easy dish.
That's right, it's an easy dish, but it's spicy as well, alright? So yes, so what I'm going to do is right now kind of run through the ingredients for you. And then don't worry if you're wondering how much you should use, I'll give you that more at the end of the video with all the measurements. But right now, let's ask Mom for the ingredients. Okay Mom, so what ingredients are we going to put in?
Chicken wing meat, chicken wing.
Chicken, okay.
Chicken, and then of course the spices are chili powder.
Okay.
Chili powder, ginger and garlic.
Ginger and garlic, okay, alright, right, okay.
And curry leaf.
Also cinnamon, yeah, okay.
And star anise.
Star anise as well, okay.
Okay, and then with tomatoes and onion, chopped onions.
Alright, there you go. So those were some of the really easy ingredients, and like I said, don't worry, we'll give you the breakdown on the measurements that we're using, because right now we're actually cooking for two. Okay, so right now let's head on over to the frying pan, or let's ask Mom what more she's going to do now. So what's next, Mom?
Okay, so the next we're going to put the pan here.
Alright, so now we're going to warm up the pan. I'll join you in just a bit. And we are back. That's right. So right now I'm over at the frying pan, and my mom has got this hot skillet, hot pan running basically. With oil. She's using vegetable oil, but basically it's up to you what kind of oil you want to use. The more healthier alternative, the better, right? What's the first ingredient you're going to put in? Okay, so the first ingredient that we're going to put into the pan will be the onions. Okay, so what you're going to do is make sure the oil is nice and piping hot, so that way you get a nice effect on your onions. Okay? Followed by the curry leaves, okay, and star anise, and then she's gonna sorry, a little closer. Yeah, a real good mix in the pan. And once again, we want to get it nice, and we're going to get the ingredients nice and brown. So what happens is all these ingredients caramelize in the pan. You get that nice flavor from all the different spices that's being in the mix right now. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we're going to let it cook for a few minutes, and we'll come back to you in just a bit. So right folks, my mom has added in the last ingredient, which is the chicken, parts of chicken basically. And now we're gonna once again let it simmer for a couple more minutes to make sure all those nice ingredients get really absorbed into the chicken, okay? So yeah, and then we can alright. And also last but not least, my mom's actually gonna put in some potatoes as well. Okay, so this once again is an additional ingredient that we decided to kind of pop into the mix as well too. But it's up to you basically what you feel. If you feel like you wanna add in the potatoes, well, it's all up to you. Okay, and in a few more minutes we'll be back with the dish all nice and prepared. Right folks, so after about how many minutes, Mom?
15-20 minutes. 15-20 minutes.
Yeah, so roughly about 15-20 minutes in the pan, it is all nice and ready, and let my mom kind of show you the final result. Okay, so yeah, so it was that easy. So if you're looking to make a real quick dish, and by the way, this goes with anything, any rice,
yeah, bread,
or even bread as well. Okay, so there's no limiting you from what you can actually eat this with. And I guess with that, it kind of wraps up our real quick episode with at my mom's house. Okay, and we want to say a big thank you to my mom, okay, for taking time out and showing us this dish. If you want to see more dishes which my mom can cook, kind of drop me a message, okay, on my channel or on my social media. We'll be more than happy to show you what we can. Okay, in the meantime, it's Rene once again signing off here from Revv Eats, and once again, we are at